principle is when in doubt, code it out. Agile with its highly iterative experience and code based emphasis allows developers to simply rely on their coding skills to move efficiently through the decision making process. This is helpful when selecting a design alternative or high impact infrastructure implementation choice, but we may still occasionally find ourselves uh, admired in technical table debates. This principle reminds us when we have to make a tough choice, we can always run a rapid evaluation in code. Fast 1 or 2 week iterations give us a quick project cadence, and the demos at the end of the iteration provide objective evidence of results. Inherent visibility of the agile model also allows all impacted stakeholders to see the real time in process reasoning and experimental results. In addition, principle 1 reminds us that if a design alternative can't be decoded and evaluated within a few iterations, it probably is not the simplest thing. In practice, cases where a decision was not fairly obvious after a few short design spikes are rare.